All right, guys, so as you can see, I've got most of the weeds cleaned out of here. It took a lot of work, a lot of sweat, and not quite any tears, but you know, still wanted to cry. Anyways, looks pretty good. So what we're gonna do is show you how to go from this to this. Guys, Bobby here with Mississippi Gulf Coast Gardener. So today I can finally say I got most of the weeds out of the garden bed, and I couldn't be happier to say that. Anyways, so next thing we're going to do is cover the garden beds. I've been watching a lot of videos and doing a little research on what's best, and you know, the guys over there at Living Traditions Homestead, they're pretty awesome, and they really swear by this woven garden fabric. So we're going to give it a try. Found some online, I ordered it. Now we're going to get it on the garden beds. Well, apparently something went wrong with my camera, or I forgot to record, or whatever. But basically, we just laid the tarp down with 2 3-foot wide strips, so they meet in the middle. They overlap just a little bit. And I had this tool. It was in my garage when I bought the house, and it's just an edger of sorts. And I just take it and basically tuck this down into the sides like that. It's pretty simple. It just takes 2 people if you can do it, because especially on a windy day like today, but just in general, because you want to get it right the first time. Okay, so you can see I got all this pine bark mulch. Unfortunately, I was unable to get somebody to deliver any wood chips. So next thing I'm going to do is get this pine bark mulch onto the beds, because I need some help weighing these things down. You see the wind's kind of blowing them up a little bit. It's pushing my pins out. So that's the next thing on the list to do. Well, there you go, guys. All that work, and we got the weeds out, the landscape fabric down, and now we just got to burn some holes in so that we can plant our starts. I appreciate you joining. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And as always, happy gardening.